In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add album gallery on WordPress website. We'll be working directly inside WordPress, and the process is very simple once you know where to click. If you want to display multiple images neatly on a page, using the gallery block is one of the easiest ways to do it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website content, including pages, posts, media, and site settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This will open the full list of pages that already exist on your website. From here, choose the page where you want to add your album gallery. This could be an existing gallery page, a homepage section, or any other page where you want visitors to see your images. After selecting the page, click Edit to open it in the WordPress editor. Now that you're inside the page editor, the next step is to add a new block. In WordPress, blocks are the building elements used to create content, so this is how we'll insert the gallery. Click on Add Blocks to open the block inserter. Once the search field appears, type photo to quickly find the media-related options. When the results appear, click on Gallery. This is the block designed specifically for displaying multiple images together in a clean layout. It's a great choice when you want an album-style presentation instead of inserting photos one by one. After adding the gallery block, click Upload. This option allows you to bring in images directly from your computer. A file window will open, and from there, select an image you want to include in the gallery. Once you've chosen it, click Open to upload it into WordPress and place it inside the gallery block. At this stage, your image will begin uploading, and WordPress will add it to the page. If you're building out a full album, make sure your images are clear, appropriately sized, and consistent in style for a more polished final look. Keeping your visuals organized before uploading can also save time during editing, and that's the basic process for adding an album gallery to a WordPress website. You go to the dashboard, open Pages, select the page, edit it, add a block, search for the photo-related option, choose Gallery, upload your image, and confirm it. Once everything looks right in the editor, you'll be ready to continue customizing the page as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.